Somebody wanted to know what you're doing in retirement. I was going to say, I don't think you're retired. They want to know if you go fishing, if you do yoga.
Yeah.
What do you do to keep your Zen-like nature and that very sharp mind?
One of my favorite thing is the word retirement should be sent into retirement. Because human beings never retire. They remain productive, they remain creative. So I say, if you are in a conventional job situation, you have a line drawn that after that you are no longer needed by the company, you should celebrate that because you are entering into the new phase of your life. I call it phase 2 of your life. It's the phase 2, which is the freedom part of your life. You are absolutely free. You have no obligation to your family now because you raised your family. You are not busy going to school, getting your degrees and so on. The first part is very heavy.
Intense.
Very intense. Lots of responsibility. You get married, have children, get a job, get a promotion, fight with your neighbors and all those kind of things. But after you have done that, now suddenly you are a free person. You can do anything you want. So bring out all your creative capacity that is built into it. You never get a chance to do that. All the things you wished you could do, now you do that. So I would say it's a freedom part of your life to do things, and human beings don't